Wow, are you telling to Master Chef how to make a barbecue?
I picked it up, I opened my wallet, and then I realized I got no money, so I called Jaira.
I am Jaira.
Today we will make barbecue.
My barbecue is made of Nutella. Nutella, assorted sweets,
This is a sous chef.
salt.
Shoe chef without a shoe. Hey, hello, hello everyone.
So finished product.
Kakain na ba yan? Kakain na ba yan? Ganyan eh.
This is adobo. Is this cooking?
Close.
Oh, it's cooked already. So the process of making barbecue is easy. First, you marinate the meat. After you marinate, you
You show. What practical?
put it in
No, show.
First, you must wash your hands. Wash your hands. No germs can enter.
How to properly wash hands?
Happy birthday to you. You get a stick. Our sous chef said it. This is the stick. You get the meat.
Wanna wear gloves?
No. I'm the master chef. Master chef don't wear gloves. Okay. So you get the meat and then you pierce the meat.
Pierce?
Okay.
What if I'm afraid? I have many peers.
Nice one, yeah! Naka-charge ka na!
This meat is struggling.
Struggling me.
I can pierce it. You can pierce it.
Yes, sir.
Thought you are a master chef, huh?
Yeah. But I think the meat is not tender enough.
Wow.
There. Alright. The process of making barbecue is easy.
Chef! Chef, madamit!
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Let's move on to the next level. Let's move on to the next ingredient.
Here's our panadero boy. Pastry chef. Barbecue.
It's so good. It's like this. No.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, how about yours, IJ?
Mine?
Where's yours?
Oh, no, just look. This is how you do it.
Master
The process of making barbecue is easy.
chef, where's yours? It's like
What's
that.
that?
This is Italian style.
Spread out mo, spread out.
It might pierce your finger, so you need to have when you sew something. What do you call when you sew something? You put it in your thumb.
Timbo. Yeah.
Timbal.
Timbo.
Yeah, it's a timbal. So this is how you make skewer.
Oh, this is a really nice effect. You look kind of...
What's that, IJ? Look at your barbecue.
The process of making barbecue is easy.
Give it back to me. I'm gonna fix it.
Wow, are you telling to Master Chef how to make a barbecue?
Let me fix it.
Master Chef? Parang hotdog lang yun. So, this is how not to do barbecue.
Like
You flatten
this.
it out.
See the difference?
Close up nga ng konti.
You see the difference?
Come on, cheer me.
It's okay.
Let's go, Master Chef!
The technique is you put it in your palm.
Wow.
You hold it with your thumb. This one is not tender. We pick another one.
Look that.
Hirap.
So IJ.
Seriously. There, the first piece. The process of making barbecue is easy. The first piece is important.
Congratulations on your 30th try.
Always crucial thing if you do not put fat on the end of the steak because the fat adds flavor to the barbecue. No, you don't know that? How about you, Jerome? Do you know how to make one?
Yeah, of course. I'm just as good as you.
Wow. Promising.
Yeah, we're like masters.
Yes, I'm a master also, you know. Hi, Simon. How are you? Did you enjoy the spa this morning?
Yeah.
Of course.
You know, the reason why I'm having difficulties in making this one because my specialty is making luxurious
Wow.
meals. So
still luxurious.
LAX. Yeah, that's the reason behind, because I studied in Canada.
Wow.
I studied in Canada. I became an apprentice of Chef Gordon.
Gordon. Nick Gordon?
Andy Gordon.
Yeah. Red Cross guy.
politician.
Yeah,
The
apprentice.
politician.
Sige nga, pakita mo kung paano.
Wait
Drama
up.
this
And that is how you manipulate a competitive team.
So you have to get. So true. It's hard.
Let's show the camera also.
Do it like this. This fast, Kuya Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so slow, ah.
Yeah. Let me wash my hands. So I'm already finished because the competitive team is triggered. See? Finally, after 2 hours.
This is how you
Is this
do
correct?
it.
Is this correct, Top Chef?
Tingin. That's not yours. Get yours.
No, this is mine.
Sobra. Too much, bro. Too much.
Oh, this one.
Very. Oh no! How do you do it? Start from here.
like that.
Because you're not teaching me, you're competitive to finish eh.
So we also have here Simon's twister fries.
Made of pork.
Made of pork. As you can see, the consistency. Very crunchy. See? Oh look, there's a crack. That hard, huh? In the Philippines, we do this for our celebration, vacation, fiesta, picnic, outing.
The Top Chef has entered the...
Aren't you already here, bro? This the investor.
And then it's Kuya Kim.
We have a
Hey, Jerome.
brown.
Crikey, there's a species right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a Steve Irwin. Look at him go. Oh, this beast is trying to prepare his feast later on.
I'm an animal. Can't stop me. Hello,
Can
sir.
you teach us how you make
Today,
a barbecue?
we're here. This species of pig is the Chinese cut up pig. See, will provide sustenance for us. As we prepare the dinner for the bridge event. It'll happen tonight at 6 p.m.
How did you hunt that?
Well, you see, I went to the supermarket. Wait. I picked it up. I opened my wallet, and then I realized I got no money, so I called Jaira.
I am Jaira.
Oh,
You have a assistant when you're hunting something.
Of course. Never go alone. Dangerous out there.
It's dangerous to be alone.
That's why.
What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of spending too much money. So that's why I always go with friends.
So Jaira, assisted you in.
And then as I was gonna bring it back to my home, I realized it was too heavy. I said, Simon, come here! The story of how I asked all my friends to help. Look at this masterpiece.
That's very.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Where did you learn
Let me help
how to? Where did you learn how to make these things? Let's ask.
They say they call it piercing.
Is that how you make a pork bun?
Yeah. No, I don't think pork buns are on stick. You pork bun? I know a friend. She ordered pork chop bun. Yeah. He found it very interesting. How it?
Who is that? Is that him? Is that him?
I know a friend who ordered pork chop bun in a Venetian.
In the Venetian, yes.
He was very interested, so he bought it. What they did? 2 breads and then the pork chop. That's it. Magnifique.
How much? $70.
No sauce. That's the pork chop bun.
Jerome.
Okay, so news update. We ran out of sticks, but it's okay. We can still reuse the old ones. That's where you get the flavor. That's where you get the flavor from.
Flavor of what?
We're gonna use these long sticks. You see these? It's gonna be much harder to penetrate it because it's round. But still, it'll have a spicy flavor. Round. It'll be really funny habang sinasabi ko yun, kumakain pa si Simon gamit ng chopstick.
I need to see Shou Qian. I need to see Shou Qian. I need to see Shou Qian. So how did you become a master chef?
Well, you see, Dave was really tired. So he decided to give me the apron. And then I became the master chef.
How you empower someone?
Yes, this is how you empower someone. Want to see Gordon Ramsay again? Bloody dreadful.
So we are here right now, bridge event. We have Freya. Hey Freya. We have. She's a TikToker. Yeah, she's a TikToker. She's famous. Oh, it's her. Let's go with famous. Yeah, we're the famous. Alright, So nandito na sila Neko. Neko's here already.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Neko!
Just
Let's go.
She'll go to Japan next
Yeah,
week.
she'll go to Japan next week.
Japan!
Let's go. We got Swanson and Samsung. Yeah, it's my video. Yeah. Jeremy.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm Jeremy.
Yeah. He's the MVP. MVP.
Wow, you're getting better, ah.
Who's winning?
Three, go.
Why so serious, Kat?
I'm not serious. She is taking it easy.
This is Antonio.
Yes,
Antonio, man. Yeah. He's a frisbee player. You're a dancer?
No. I said you're a dancer.
Okay. No, I'm not a dancer, bro.
Show some moves. Let's show some moves. Let's see some moves. Okay, everyone here, let's look. I'm just gonna sample some moves.
No, bro. Don't announce it.
Okay.
Don't announce it, bro.
The birthday girl, happy birthday!
Yay, wow. Thank you.
How's it going, Master Chef?
It's okay. It's hot here. What is this meeting about? Nothing. Hey, we are with my friend Giovanni. He's waiting. Yeah. So eat again.
So, what's happening here?
We're gonna sing Meet Your Garden.
Okay.
So I am with the winning team. Are you the winning team?
No.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. You win again?
Yeah.
So they're trying out our pancit and our chop suey and our adobo. And I think they liked it.
So, we have Simon here cooking kamote.
So it's not working. It's not working! I don't think it's supposed to be grilled.
Chorus again.
Hi.
What are you guys gonna sing for us?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. When you say nothing at all.
Para kanina to. Go, Johan.
I don't know the word.
Go, do the words. narinig ko yung John!
Second voice ka na!
Thanks guys, thanks guys. Yeah, let's go guys! What's the next song? Ate Nikki, come here! Ate Nikki, you pick the next song, come on!
Prepare.